Okay, let's see if I remember how to do these things. What's the first thing I do? Bad intro. Cool, we got that out of the way. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media things right there. You can also subscribe to the channel for more state-of-the-art, cutting-edge content. I couldn't think of the second part of it, but yeah, it's the same thing every video. Hi, pals. Took last week off because you know why if you watched that video, but we're back. It's another beater box. This one is, again, from Supremacy. This one is $650 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of 700 buckaroos. A new currency that I currently use. Just kidding. Here, there's a counter. Its name is clearance. Follow along with that thing. It tells you how many dollars the things are worth. Okay, box time. I literally got back to 4 boxes. There are 3 other boxes over there to my left that still need opened. So the next couple weeks, it's gonna look like I'm wearing the same thing. It's because I'm opening them all today, basically. This is a very good price range, so this box will probably be really good. Looks like there's a good amount of loose shoes, so we'll get those out of the way first. Wow, I think these are dead stock. It is a size 10.5. These are the Kith Air Pippins, I think. It's just the black colorway. I think there's a little hints of royal on the liner, but otherwise, I mean, they look dead stock on the bottoms. So I'm assuming they are. There's no creasing and they're still factory laced and there is paper inside. So I don't know if these have any value, but there's your first shoe out. It says 10.5. Air Pippin collaboration with Ronald Feig. That's his real name. I just think that's funny. On these. Hey, if you want to buy those, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website by going to sbmitch.com. What else is going to be on there? This pair of shoes. This is a worn pair. It is a size US men's 11. This is the, 2017 retro of the Air Max 97 OG Silver Bullet colorway. Probably the most popular Air Max 97 colorway there is. These seem to be in really good shape. I mean, there's a little bit of discoloration on the midsole because that happens. There's some wear on the outsole, especially by the forefoot. Not much heel drag or anything like that, so they're definitely in good shape still. There's still a swoosh on the insole. 11, it's a good size for a trainer like this too. Size 11, Air Max 97 OG, Silver Bullets. Do not buy if you're a werewolf. Oh, there's Adidas. We're grabbing Adidas first because why wouldn't I? Size 10 EQT support 9317. Looks like there's replacement lace or replacement insoles in here. That's kind of a bummer, but it is the whatever. I'll figure it out later. Triple black EQT support 9317. I don't know what any of those numbers or names mean, but it's got a big boost outsole. It's triple black. There is replacement insoles that look like they were barely used. Can't really complain. I mean, it's Adidas, so it's not really worth anything. Sorry, Adidas. If you have a time machine, they'll take you back to 2017 when these were cool. Go for it. Size 10. EQT support 9317s in triple black colorway. Let's do these. Some Nike basketball in here. We got a size 10 LeBron 18 low. Yeah, these are lightly worn, so they probably use them for basketball. I think these are called like Fireberry or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, they're in really great shape. Apparently very good performance basketball sneaker. Outsoles are in good shape. It's kind of a cool colorway. Yeah, there you go. I don't really have much experience with LeBron 18, so size 10, LeBron 18. Low something or other. This is probably the smallest box that I've ever gotten of a LeBron. That's hilarious. Going from one LA basketball person to another one, we got a PG5 PlayStations in a size 10. These are indeed dead stock. This is the PG5 PlayStation. He does a PlayStation every year with his signature model, and this is the 5th one of them. They probably have some kind of light up function. I don't know how to do it, so I'm not gonna sit here and try. Size 10 dead stock. PlayStation PG5s. Interesting. That seems pretty normal for a $600 box. What are these? Size 11 Converse. This is brain dead on the, okay. Okie dokie. Whatever these are. It's a Chuck Taylor Brain Dead collaboration, I guess you could say. I don't know what the deal with these are. It's a Converse, so it's not exactly cutting edge as far as performance tech. I mean, it's a canvas shoe with a bigger sole, basically. Size 11, I don't know. Josh, hit me up if you want these. There you go. We got 3 more in here. One of them is a gold box SB, so you know that's the last one. Size 13 Nike React Presto. Dead stock pair, size 13. I don't know what this colorway is called. The box is saying Barely Volt Hyper Crimson. So, Barely Volt Hyper Crimson. Presto Reacts, apparently insanely comfortable. Prestos are already comfortable. When you add the React technology to it, it makes it even more comfortable, which is pretty cool. Looks like there's a lava lamp on the insole, which is neat. There you go. They're bright, and it's a good summer shoe, so since summertime is the season we're in right now, there you go. Size 13. Interesting size. That might be one of those shoes that's still available on Nike.com and just no one knows. 2 more in here. I saw Supreme branding on this box, so we'll do this. Whoa. Air More Uptempo, size 10.5. Probably a Uptempo. That's exactly what they are. This is the gold pair. They are worn pretty lightly though. There you go. Still have Supreme branding and the Nike Air on the insole. It just says Nike, Supreme Nike. It's gold. This is probably one of the more wearable Supreme collaborations Nike has done recently, in my opinion. These are from like 2016 or 2017, so they're a little bit older, but I don't think age is going to affect these very much. They're very clean. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. So size 10.5, very good size too. Uptempo is the gold colorway. I mean, that shoe's got to be worth at least half the box amount. So that's cool. Looks like we got a good box on our hands. Let's see what this last pair is. It's an SB. Gold box era, probably one of the better ones. It's Dunk High Premium in a size 9.5. Recognize these. Comes with extra laces. They are worn. There's a little bit of heel drag and a minimal star loss on the forefoot, but these are the wood deck Dunk High SBs from the gold box era. These are probably like 2008, 2007, so there is a good chance of some separation on the toe box, which there is on these. So that's something you can't really do anything about because shoes this old come to end up separating. That's just how glue works. Glue plus time equals separation. You can look that up in a math book. But these are pretty well kept up. The suede is in good shape. You can see the wood grain details on the heel and the ankle. Insole wear seems to be pretty minimal, which is very good. Comes with the extra laces. There's green and there's also brown laces, and the box is in good shape. So it's a high, so it's definitely not gonna have the same amount of value as a low, but these are colors that are kind of in right now if you're into like fashion, whatever. And of course, SB hype is at its peak, I think. I think it's slowly coming down, but we'll see what happens. Leisure Last Shoe, a 9.5. Wood deck, Dunk High SB, and that is a $700 Soul Supremacy beater box. Pretty good for $700. I would imagine the last 2 shoes are probably at least 2/3 to 75% of the entire box value. But let's see what the numbers say. I think this box is really good. I think it's about what I would expect in a box like this. A couple dead stock shoes, not all Jordans. I don't think there was a single Jordan in here, was there? No, there wasn't. That brain dead thing, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that because I have no idea what the Converse market is like. But yeah, I mean, even the Adidas that we got in here is a triple black, so it'll probably move for some kind of amount of money because that's how transactions work. But yeah, this is a good box. If you want to buy any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com or boostjedi420.com. Yes, I'm still going to mention that in every video. Hey, if you want to save 10% on your next order from Reshoevn8r to clean your shoes, use my code SBMitch10. It'll save you 10% on your entire order because who doesn't like saving money when it comes to stuff with shoes? Because everyone is a little bit thrifty. Okay, that's the video. We'll see you next week, probably, for something. I got a green screen, somebody play with that, so that's a hint for next video. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!